In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check if Google Analytics is installed on a website. There are a few reliable ways to confirm Google Analytics 4 is present. You can use a browser extension like Google Tag Assistant, or you can check the website code directly by searching for a GA4 measurement ID that starts with G. You can also use your browser developer tools to look for Google Analytics network requests, or check for the _GA cookie in the application or storage area. In this walkthrough, we will focus on verifying tracking inside Google Analytics itself, using the Data Streams area and recent traffic indicators. Start by signing in to Google Analytics and going to the Home area. This gives you a quick overview of activity, and it also confirms you are in the right account and property before you dig deeper. Next, open the main navigation and go into the Admin section. In most layouts, Admin is the area where you manage settings, properties, and data collection sources. Once you are in Admin, look for Data Streams and select it. Data Streams is where GA4 lists each website or app that is sending data into the property. On the Data Streams screen, look for the indicator that references receiving traffic in the past 48 hours. This is a helpful first check. If you see recent traffic, it usually means the tag is installed and sending data. If it shows no traffic, tracking might still be installed but not firing correctly, or the site simply has not had visitors recently, so you will confirm using the stream details. Click into your web stream using the stream name. This opens the stream settings and status details. In the stream details view, look for the status icon that shows whether data collection is active. A healthy status here is a strong signal that the site is connected properly. Now go to the events area for that stream. Events are the actions GA4 receives, such as page views. If events are appearing and updating, that is an additional confirmation that Google Analytics is installed and actively collecting data from the site. As a final quick check within the stream view, review the status indicator again to confirm the stream remains active while you are testing. If you are also validating in the browser, remember that ad blockers or consent settings can prevent data from sending, so test in a clean browser session when possible. And that is all there is to it.